Model and what else?
Repeated.
And repeated observations. Repeated observations. Está mal escrito. Okay, C. All have results from which? Who can answer that?
Me. Observation.
Okay. No.
Hypothesis.
No. Let's see.
Draw conclusion.
All have results from which two?
Draw conclusion.
Draw
Observation.
conclusions. Very good. Draw conclusions. Examples. Volcanoes. What is another example?
Earthquakes.
Earthquakes. Very good. Or geysers. Or volcanoes. Or whales, right? Any of those. Okay, using models. Needed to understand systems that have many hidden parts. Right? That's why we use models. Types of models. There are some different types. We have diagrams and flowcharts. What else do we use? Besides that, diagrams and flowcharts. Computer simulations. Computer simulations, right? Computer simulations. What else?
Miss, ir a 4 cuál es?
It can be any of the examples I gave you. Like, for example, a volcano, a geyser, a whale. All these are so big, or they are so far away, or the planets, that you have to use controllable experiments. Okay?
Miss, physical model is 6.
And 6 is what? Physical models. Very good. Physical models.
Disculpe, maestra, encontramos la página. Lo que pasa es que en el libro de Yomen, la página dice, es la página 34 en vez de la página 36.
Oh, ok. Pues debe ser
Por alguna razón
diferente, pero pues tiene la misma información.
Sí, estoy viendo aquí. Muchas gracias y disculpe.
No hay problema. Physical models.
Gracias.
Okay, let's go to the next one. Physical model. If you don't have it, fill it in, okay? Controlled experiments, right? When we have controlled experiments, we ask questions, we hypothesize. What else do we do besides those? Who can tell me?
Design experiments.
Design experiments, right? We design experiments.
Record and analyze data.
And then
Record
the
and
procedure.
analyze data. Me dice que dice las 7.
Espérate, déjame terminar aquí. Esto está bien difícil. Ok, la 7 dice design experiment. Una E. La 8, who could tell me 8? Who can tell me 8?
Record analysis.
Record and analyze.
Data.
Record and analyze data. Very good. Record and analyze data.
Miss, no se entiende las 7, no la entiendo.
Te la estoy diciendo. Design experiment.
Design experiment.
Record and analyze data. Okay. Then, organizing and displaying data. Data displays help communicate. Kinds of data display. Circle graphs, we discussed them, right? What else did we discuss?
Line graphs.
Line graph. What else?
Bar graphs.
Bar graphs, right? That was another one. Bar graph.
Diagrams.
And
Diagrams.
diagrams.
Diameters.
No, diagrams. Diagram. Okay. There you go. Aquí puede ser, I don't know, whales.
Missy, ¿puede repetir?
Okay.
Missy, ¿puede repetir la 10, por favor?
Bar graphs. Miren, pero mírala el monitor, veo, está escrito. It's right there. I'm sharing with you guys.
Es que a mí no me sale, dice bore. A mí me sale bore.
Bar graph. Line graph, bar graph, and diagram. Okay, did everybody copy all that?
Yes. Miss, we're gonna work on 36, page 36, and page 37.
Yes, now we're going to page 37.
Okay, guys.
Okay, here, do you see my page?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, it says
No,
read
I
each
don't see
clue.
it.
Read each
Miss, I
clue.
don't see it.
Well, then it's your computer, because if somebody sees it, everybody can see it. Okay? Okay, read each clue.
Now
No,
I
I
see it.
can't.
Then find and circle the term in the word search puzzle. Okay? So we first fill in this ones, and then we work with the puzzle. First, let's see, all the ways scientists do investigation. All the ways scientists do investigation. Who can answer that question? All the ways scientists do investigation. Which is the answer?
Scientist method.
Scientific method. Scientific method. That will be number 1. Scientific method.
Method. Miss, I already write it.
Okay. Now let's go to number 2.
Miss, I say that.
Number 2.
What else?
Adrian. Rodriguez.
Yeah, Missy, what was the first one?
Scientific method.
Scientific method.
Number 2, Adrian Rodriguez. This should be as similar as possible to the real thing. What should be as possible as the real thing?
Model.
Models, right? So number 2, it's models. Write it down. Models. Models is number 2. Let's see number 3. The part of an experiment used to compare all the other groups. What is that? Part of an experiment used to compare all the other groups. Remember we were talking about that? That it was very important?
Order.
Yes, I remember.
Which one is it then? How do we call that one?
Control.
The control. The control. Control
Control.
is number 3. Control. Number 4, what scientists do that is the basis for their investigation. What is the first thing that we need to do, or any scientist need to do?
Investigate things.
No.
Ask question.
Ask a question, right? That's the first thing when we start doing an investigation. We ask questions. So ask questions. Number 5, any condition in an experiment that can be changed. What is it that can be changed in the experiment? We said
Miss, hypothesis is 7.
7, yes. 8, the steps you follow in your experiment.
Producer.
Procedure. Not producer. Procedure. Procedure. Procedure.
Spell it.
9, to use patterns in observations to say what may happen next.
¿Cuál era la 8, Miss?
Procedure. Number
¿Cuál era
9,
la 7, Missy? La 7.
hypothesis.
Gracias.
Number 9,
Proceed.
Number 9. To use.
That is.
Espérate, déjame leerla. To use patterns in observation to say what may happen next. To use patterns in observation to say what may happen next. When you say that you think something.
Explosion.
No? How do we call that?
This.
Predict. Predict. Predict is number 9. Predict.
Okay.
And 10. An investigation
Observation.
that is control. An investigation that is control. What is it?
Observation.
No.
Investigation.
No.
¿Este va por la 9 o por la 10?
La 10. An investigation that is controlled.
Experiment.
Experiment. Very good.
Hey, I said that.
Experiment. Experiment.
Missy,
Yes.
why do you have two me's in the chat?
Okay.
I have two me's in the whole meeting.
You have to what?
I have two me's.
I don't know. Tú te oyes en eco, papi.
Because you logged in 2 times. Mm-hmm. And that's why I hear 2 voices.
Yeah, te oyes
Yeah, and I really like it.
Cierra uno.
The first one is in your tablet, and the second one is in the computer. Yep. Or you just have 2 monitors
Okay, now
or 2 computers.
we are going to see the last page. The last page are questions, right? That you were supposed